You have to click on this link, then the page will open in your browser, the home page of Zoom. Now you have to log in with your ID. For that you have to click on upper right corner these three lines. Okay, then you will see a sign in option. You have to click in sign in. In the sign in you will be required to enter the email address as well as the password. Okay, you enter your email ID and the password for Zoom account. Then you have to click on sign in. Okay, then the page will open up. This is your basic profile of Zoom. You don't have to do anything here. Now you can see the profile here written, and on the right side of profile there is a down arrow. You have to click on that arrow, and here you can see meeting, webinar, recording and settings. You have to click on settings, and we have to make some changes in this setting only. For that we have to scroll down. Participants video, you have to, by default it is off. You have to switch on this by clicking on this option. What will happen, whenever the participants join, by default their videos will be on, and then coming down we have to switch on this option. It's already switched on, mute participants upon entry. That means students will be muted when they join the meeting by default. Then this option, chat, we have to switch off this option by clicking on this. When we click on this, it will ask that you want to switch off your chat option. We have to click on turn off button. It will be switched off. Then what will happen, the students will not be able to chat among themselves. They can only chat with the host, that is the teacher. They will not be able to send private messages to each other. Then again coming down, we have to click on this sound notification when someone joins or leave the meeting, and we have to change this option to host and co-host only. Means only the host and co-host will be able to hear whenever someone joins or leave the meeting. Then we have to click on save. Then this setting will be saved. Now make sure that this option screen sharing, it is clicked on host only. Then here allow removed participants to join. We have to click on yes. Means we have to switch on this option. That means if we remove any student from the meeting, then they can rejoin again. By default it is switched off. Means whenever a student is removed, then he or she will not be able to join that meeting again. So we have switched on this video, means they will be able to rejoin again. And this option, allow participants to rename themselves, this should be on. rest all is okay. Only this much, these settings we have to do so that students will not be able to interact among themselves during the class. They can only interact with the teacher only. Thank you.